everyone. Welcome to Ka Inspirational Talk. Today, I have Dr. Sweta Verma from India as our speaker for today. And Dr. Sweta, I would give you a topic, become CEO of your life. So would like to hear from you, your message, how one can become a CEO of our life.
Sure, ma'am. Hello, Dr. Kavita. Hello, Dr. Shweta. Hope you both are doing well. Today, it's a very interesting table what Dr. Kavita has given me. First, I would like to introduce myself, Dr. Shweta, practicing homeopath in New Delhi, India. I've completed my BHMS from Bexon Homeopathic Medical College, Greater Noida. And after that, I've worked in many hospitals. And now, as of now, I'm running my own clinic in Delhi. I'm so lucky that I'm a part of Ka family. And today, Dr. Kavita has chosen me to talk in an inspirational topic, how to become a CEO of your life. It is really a very interesting topic. I love this topic. First, I want to tell you what is the meaning of CEO. See, if we talk about its full form, it's just a chief executive officer, you know. And now, how to become a chief executive officer of our life? See, you might have heard about Mr. Sundar Pichai. He is the CEO of Google, and his salary must be in crores. Now, why I'm talking about him today? See, a CEO, the job of a CEO is very important. He is managing everything about the organization, about the company. And now today we are talking about the CEO of our life. It means it is a very responsible job. जिम्मेदारी का काम है. See, you know, how can one become a CEO of his life? What needs to be done for this? The most important thing is belief system. Yes, believe in yourself. This can convert you from dependent on others to control your own life with your own hands. You can control your own life with your own hands without thinking about others. See, we need to set our goals in our life. That we need to activate our subconscious mind for that. It might be a new job for us. Many of us are not doing this, but it's a very important, even I'll say it's a most important job for us. And you have to love your new job. You will finally be in your control, and this control will make your life, the dreams of your lives to come true. But you need to be arranged for that. If I talk about life, we started from crawling. Now we are walking. So we have to start from somewhere. We have to take 100% responsibility of our own life. It's very easy to blame others, but only way to get different result is to do things differently. Many a times we get abundance of blocks in our way, isn't it? But we have to get rid of them as soon as possible. We have to be rebuild our belief. We have to empower ourselves to achieve that impossible thing on which we had given up once. Maybe we have given up once on that thing, but now we have to start again for that. See, becoming a CEO is not at all easy, but we have to start. Why it is important? Why we should not let others decide what we should do in our life? Why should we take decision for ourselves? See, if you want to succeed in your life, you have to take, sometimes you have to take decisions, and you have to be responsible for them. We just need few things to achieve this goal. The first one is belief system on ourselves. Fight against the blockers. And we need to set a plan of action also. So these three things are very important. Outline a plan of action, maybe daily or weekly or monthly or yearly, as you are comfortable, as you want. For example, you want to get rid of any of your disease. You have to make a plan of action. You have to plan a daily routine for yourself. You have to start from somewhere. You have to wake up on time. You have to do the exercises, and you have to, take your medicines on time. And if I talk about women, see, women has lots of things to do. And I'm really impressed with Dr. Kavita, as she is managing everything, like from her professional thing to her personal things. She's managing everything. I don't know how she is managing. She works till late, till midnight, and she used to chat with us in India. So this is really commendable how a woman is managing everything. So she is a great example for this. When a woman go out of her house, sometimes the family members only stop her, because they are just they have a habit of having her at home. They are so much dependent on her. So how a woman manage all this? But she has to start. Like if a woman wants to start a business, she has to go out of house. But the dependents, they'll not let her go. But but we have to fight. We might have to fight for our journey. We have to take decisions. We have to take strong decisions for that. We might have falls, but we have to be in perseverance. We have to start again. We have to stand again, and then start again and do which makes us happy, which can make us successful in our life. To achieve our goals, we need all positive energy around us. We need positive energy around us. And in Car Group, I have felt that. Like, I am with Car Group since around 7-8 months, but there is a positive aura in Car Group. It is not easy for me also to manage everything. Like, I'm telling you the truth. I am also a homemaker. I have to look for after my kid also. Then I have to manage my clinic also. But we have to manage everything. We have to plan. We have to make a plan. So to achieve our goals, we need all positive energy around us. So always, we should always invest our mind, our energy in people who can either connect with us, or who can bring, who can help bring our us higher, who can bring us higher. So always we have to remain stress-free and think with our free mind. We should always trust our instincts also. See, trusting ourselves, and we should not go with the flow always. Sometimes we have to, flow according to our plans, according to our mind. Always we cannot flow with the go with the flow. So don't go for external validation. People are not going to people are not going to help you always. Sometimes we have to take decisions for us. They might stop us. So we have to choose where we have to invest our energy. You can only get on right path when there is peace in ourselves. This can only show a right path to our aim. So I hope today, like this small talk can bring some change in you. I really, I'm really, what should I say? I really believe in women empowerment, and like maybe this small talk can help them. They can bring that change in them. They can. So you should also try to become the CEO of your life. Maybe this can help you to in becoming the CEO of your life. It may be a long process. Sometimes it could take time, but don't stop. Keep moving. Nothing is more important than our own happiness. Thank you.
That was wonderful message, Dr. Sweta Verma. No words for me to come.
Thank you so much,
But
ma'am.
yeah, it's very, very inspiring message. And before I read a short paragraph, I have Dr. Sweta Singh, our Chief Administrator, and an inspiring lady also here joining us.
True. Very
And
true.
yeah, Dr. Sweta, Sweta Singh, would you like to say your inspiring message before I read the quote?
First of all, very beautiful thoughts, Dr. Shweta Verma, and I totally agree with you. We should be our own. We should be responsible for ourselves, and we should be in charge of our own life, and we should be our own. We should be the CEO of our own life, and
True.
don't give the thread of your happiness to in hands of others, and love yourself. Do whatever you feel to do. Yes, we should listen to others, but do what we feel, what is good for us, and do things what makes your heart happy. So this is, I don't think this is called selfishness, but this
Not
is
at all.
self-love.
Yes.
So we should love ourselves, and very beautiful and inspiring message from you. Thank you so much.
And we are
Over
having
to
so
you.
nice examples with us, like Dr. Kavita and Dr. Shweta. She is my best friend. Dr. Shweta Singh is my best friend, but I'm really, really impressed by her. Her enthusiasm is great. She is a very hardworking girl. Like in my
Thank you
family
so much,
also, we
and
have some
same to
family,
you. Love you a lot.
and we used to talk at our home about her, and she is really very hardworking. I'm really impressed with her.
Thanks.
So,
Lots of
so
love.
sweet of you both, Sweta Verma, Sweta Singh. That is really very nice. And
Thank you, ma'am.
let me take opportunity to read a short paragraph from the series which we are
Please,
doing.
ma'am.
Robin Sharma, Who Will Cry When You Die? And here he says, become the CEO of your life. If it is going to be, it is up to me. It's a wonderful mantra. I recently read in a newspaper that fully 10% of the population is betting they will win the lottery to finance their retirement. Too many people are leaving the quality of their futures to chance rather than to choice. Okay, this antidote points to of wisdom is simply this: we need to keep our ears and eyes to the realities of life. If we do not act on life and take action to make things happen, it will act on us and give us results we might not want. As Dr. Sweta Verma has said so beautifully in her message, so much information, and all that points to that. This is one of the natural laws that has governed humanity for thousands of years. To become more proactive during the weeks ahead, begin to see yourself as the chief executive officer of your destiny. As Dr. Sweta Singh also said the same, the CEO of your life. All effective CEOs realize that if it is going to be, it is up to me, and act as the catalyst of their own dreams. Similarly, if you want something done, rather than waiting for luck to look your way, take steps to get it done. If there is someone you know could help you solve a problem or sees an opportunity, pick up the phone and call him or her. As you're saying so much, so sweet about Dr. Sweta Singh, your friendship, that is so sweet. Sharing all this, it is very important. The sweetness in you, you are appreciating others, Dr. Sweta Verma. That is so nice. And remember, you can make excuses or you can make progress, but you cannot do both. And with this, I would like to end this one. Seeing yourself as a CEO of your life can create a fundamental shift in the way you perceive your world. Instead of sailing through life as a passenger, you become the captain of the ship, leading things in the direction you choose to move in rather than reacting to the within of the changing rights. And as you take a greater control of your life, reflect on Williams James' inspiring words. Humankind's common instinct for reality has always held the world to be essentially a theater of heroism. Being said this one, I wrap this one, and nice messages I got it from Dr. Sweta Verma and also Sweta Singh. Believe in yourself. For me, believe in myself and believing in God, and accepting that truth, accepting the nature, and then moving forward is really the things. And I do not want to repeat because everything you both have covered. That is wonderful. And thank you so much again, Dr. Sweta Verma, for being with us today.
Thank you, ma'am. One more thing I want to add, like I want to request you to tell us what is the reason behind your energy.
Shall I tell the truth?
Please, ma'am. I need that.
No, shall I tell the truth? Okay, we should become like a child. A child has pure heart. I know I'm speaking it spontaneously, but the thing is, the real inner heart, when it comes out natural way, you look so beautiful from inside and out, and you appreciate others. Take out your ego. The more you go, the high ego will join you together, because ego and our status go together. So you have to separate the ego and you just be there. And then comparison. No, not at all comparison. And you be yourself, as both of you have said. And that's it. These will make you keep you smile even in pain and suffering. So let others grow with you. You grow and let others also grow with you. So thank you so much for asking me this one spontaneously. Thank you all.
Thanks for telling us, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Now
Dr.
we have
Sweta.
got the mantra.
And I will remind me this mantra again in future if I need it, because we all need the inspiration. We each of us are very, because it's a spontaneous talk. So whatever that comes up from our heart at that time, it all comes out. And hope our inspirational talks help others. And we have so many inspirational talks from Professor Regina, who is a stage 4 cancer survivor. So anyone who is interested, they can watch and get inspired. And we look forward to have many more inspirational talks with you, Dr. Sweta Verma and Dr. Sweta Singh, and also many of people to join us in this inspirational talks and be a part of our inspiration. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Shweta.